Malabot?
I don't think this is indicative of an educational crisis. It's not a common facade to many people. It's Malacanang's greatest picture. Pag nakita mo to at alam mo yung Malacanang, yan yung Malacanang. I would understand kung di lahat ng tao familiar sa itsura ng Malacanang Palace. The problem here is nung kinuklu in na siya ni Vice, saan namamalagi yung presidente. Kapag may press con, saan ginaganap yung nilusob ng EDSA Revolution, anong lugar to, tas di pa rin nasagot yung Malacanang, I think doon yung problema. Pwede. Maybe the contestant was thinking too hard about something and hindi siya naku-clue in sa sinasabi ni Vice. Just because, para sa akin, hindi to indicative ng educational crisis, wala tayong educational crisis. We do have an educational crisis, but identifying the facade of Malacanang Palace, which is easily something that could be unfamiliar to people who have never seen a photo of it, isn't one of them. It's not an educational crisis, it's the disconnect between the people and the government. Inaccessible kasi siya sa mga Pinoy. That's a pretty good take.